How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am well by the same. My dear student, come back again to take online class. Introduce myself, my dear student. I am Polash Kumar Ghosh, Assistant Head Teacher, Mubarak Ali Secondary School, Kaliganj, Jhinai. Dear student, I know that now you are staying at home due to COVID-19 coronavirus. Actually, in this time, we should stay at home. And in this situation, I am present here to help you something in English grammar. Dear student, I think if you are with me, then you will be some benefited. So I am sure that you are eagerly waiting to watch my class. So dear student, let's enjoy the online class. Okay, my dear student, actually the last class I had taken different kinds of class on English grammar. So as usual, I will take an English grammar class on capitalization. Actually, my dear student, you know that capitalization, this is a very important grammar in class 9. If I say it is important only for the students of class 9, actually it is not true. It is important for all classes student. So my dear student, now today I will discuss about the uses of capitalization, where we should use capitalization. Actually, capitalization means use capital letter. My dear student, you know that there are two types of letter. One is a small letter, another is capital letter. But we don't know. I think we don't know where is the suitable place or right place. Then we can use capital letter. So, my dear student, now I am going to discuss or talk about the use of capitalization. So, my dear student, please enjoy this class and look at the whiteboard. I think if you enjoy this class, so you can easily understand the uses of capitalization. Okay, my dear student, you have to remember that. You should remember that. Number one, when you write any words in English, when you write any letter or any word in English, so you should use the first letter. The first letter, of course, you should use capital letter, the first letter. Now, example, Rohim is a student. My dear student, Rohim, the first letter, but it is wrong. You should not write, you should not use the first letter in small. You should not write in small letter. So, first, when you write any words, then you have to use the first letter in capital. So, Rohim. And this is, you should use the first letter R, the capital letter. And so my dear student, you should remember that when you write something in English, then you should write the first letter, of course, capital letter. So my dear student, the second rule, if we see, if you write, my dear student, when you write any sentence, after completing one sentence, when you write another sentence, then you have to write first letter, of course, capital letter. And you have to remember that, you should remember that after full stop, you should write capital letter. Rohim is a student, my dear student, then full stop. And then when you start write, then he is, my dear student, he reads class 9. Okay, my dear student. So you should remember that when you write a sentence, after that when you start to write another sentence, then after full stop you should remember that you should use capital letter, my dear student. And then when you write any name, it may be the name of person, it may be the name of thing, it may be the name of place, it may be the name of vehicles. When you write any names, then you should remember that the first letter must be capital letter. The first letter must be used in capital letter. Okay, my dear student. So Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. My dear student, look at this board. Dhaka, this is the name of place, and Bangladesh, this is the name of a country. And the first letter Bangladesh and the first letter Dhaka. Of course, you must be write the first letter in capital letter. You must be used the first letter in capital letter. So we should use the any kinds of, if you see any kinds of name, then of course you should use capital letter. Okay, my dear student. Okay, my dear student. Then when you see any abbreviation, when you see any abbreviation in any sentence, then you should remember that that abbreviation must be write in capital letter. He is BA. He is BA. Very student. So BA. This is abbreviation word. Abbreviative word. So my dear student, when you see abbreviative or abbreviation, then you must use capital letter. Okay, my dear student, the name of any institution, when you write the name of any institution, then of course you must write the capital letter. You must write, suppose Mubarak Ali is under Zinaida district. Mubarak Ali is under Zinaida district. My dear student, Mubarak Ali, this is the name of institution. So you should remember that when you write any name of institution, when you write any institution, then must be remembered that the first letter, of course, you have to the first letter in capitalization and use capitalization. Okay, my dear student. then the name of any because, and the first letter must be capital letter. My dear student, this is an important point. So I think capitalization is not difficult. If you are careful about this item, then I am sure that you can easily solve. So I think if you practice again and again, because I know that now you are staying at home, so in this time you have to practice again and again. I hope if you practice again and again, then you will be more benefited. You will be more benefited, my dear student. Then listen to my topics and listen to my words, and I hope that if you are with me, then you will get many unknown information, my dear student. So my dear student, take care of your health, and always you will be with me and enjoy my class. Okay, my dear student, thank you very